Okay, we got a really messed up job here. Had a Lennox Pulse in there, we tore out. There's our configuration. Just getting the height so we can cut this plenum off. One main return there, and then one going to the old garage, which is now a bedroom. Mufflers were going across the ceiling, so our venting is cut off here. We had a 7/8 line set that I was going to flush and reuse, but it was all kinked up here, so I'm waiting on a 5/8 line set that I can hopefully bend over the top of this guy. So we're going to cut this plenum off and get the sheet metal done and do the rest of it. I hate this, I haven't taken a lot of videos lately. I mean, my videos are becoming very short, so we got this all ready to shove in there. Plenum's cut to length. Hopefully our last piece of 20 by 10 will fit right in there. Oh, my phone's ringing. Okay, our line set showed up. 25 footer, 5/8, 3/8. Should be able to make that bend on the other end once I shove it over that ceiling. Just gonna put a piece of tape on this end, feed them in together. Corey's got the pad set over here. Pads marked like so, where the ends of our line set are. And once we get that fed down to the coil, with plenty, I'll make my bends on this end with the tubing bender down and out, and maybe we'll get a little video of that. It's the water heater there, so I'll probably throw a 45 on that so it's not blowing. That'll rust up the corner of the air if I let it blow right on the air like that. So we'll throw a 45 on that just to direct it away from the air conditioner. And apparently we reclaimed the old one. Lunchtime. Got my temporary new teeth yesterday. I had my 6 front teeth pulled October of 2018. With Corona, it's put me back another couple months, but there they are. Looks like they go up a little high on the right to me, but at least they're attached now. Try these for a couple weeks, and then if I like them, they make my permanent ones. Looking real good. Everything's going to line up. My last piece of drop is the right length. Just going to spin that gas pipe out of there and shorten this up. And probably come across here down. She always like to come in the left side with our gas and hook that heat run back up right there. That guy down. I'm going to cut this one into the drop over here. Let's see, I just shoved my line set across the ceiling. Did it make it? I don't see it. Oh yeah, there it is. It's way too far. Went all the way over the top. So I'll pull that back out a little bit. Should bend right down in there, no problem. Okay, we just bent that line set in there with the tubing bender. I wish I would have got that on video, but I forgot again. So we bent that one straight up in the air down there, and then we bent that one straight down. And now he's gonna push it back in. Oh, I gotta help you. Yeah. I gotta go in and bend that down in front of that furnace so it's not gonna go in. Okay, this electrical, just gonna mount this box right here, pop a hole in the furnace there. There's a coupling in my EMT right here, so I just went to transition to a flex fitting there. I'll flex it right down the side of this and coming to the top of my box here. So that'll be that. And we'll be just out of the way of the gas, which is there. The drain is going to have to come out the other side, obviously. So we'll have to use this fitting. And then we just 5/8 right off of this guy, which will be sticking out there, down into our pump, which will be here. And then we'll have our switch and outlet back on that box. 35 amp breaker for the AC. We'll have to change that to a 20. Right there. And here I go.
Let me see. You want to save this or no? Did you save those?
No. Stage furnace here. It's a 601714. Blue is our out of the box for heating, so we're going to leave that there. And I'm going to switch the obviously factory shipping is high speed for cooling, so we're going to put that on orange. So I took the gray off of the cool tap. Put that on park, and I'm going to put the orange cool, because we got a 2-ton air conditioner out there. And if we need to, we can adjust those later when we're checking temp rise and stuff like that. Sure, Corey's soldered in out there by now. It's probably wiring. So we just got to solder in here. Pressure test, pull a vacuum, clamp this guy down, get our switch and our outlet tied in, pump, low voltage, drop, sheet metal's all done now. Got that hooked up over there, return. I'm waiting to hook up the supply to the bathroom until I'm done with the gas and the electric over here. So you got 2 and 3 and it's hot enough, are you?
Yep.
It's hot enough now, isn't it?
Yep. And then that one don't take much.
That's what I'm going to be aiming at here. So make sure that solder travels into that joint.
Nice.
As far as it travels, you can see it travel on the outside of the fitting. It's traveling the same inside the joint. So moving the torch up, it should pull it into the joint. Yeah, if I see a little dry spot where it didn't run on the outside, I'll go back and hit it until it runs on the outside, then I know it's running on the inside.
perfect joints.
We got the pump all tidied up here. Furnace drain down into the pump. Pump line zip tied up. AC down into the pump. Low voltage is all wired up. Safety switch on the pump goes through R. And then up to the thermostat. That way if the pump fails, it's gonna take out the power to the furnace, so we won't have heat or air. If somebody unplugs the pump, that's gonna fill up and the float will break the R to the thermostat. And I just gotta hook up this pipe here. Corey's ready to check out the air, right?
Yep.
Okay. Alright. Doors. Just the bottom. Yeah, 5/8 line set. Caps? What is with you in those caps? Okay, we're checking out Erica's furnace here. Good friend of mine. Hired me to do her job, of course. Corey's checking supply temp back there. He's got 123. We had 67 on the intake. 46 degree rise, and it's going up still, right? CO in the flue, that's about normal. CO2, 8%. Flue temp, 90. Gas pressure, he's got it 3.5. Staying right at 47. Okay. I think I'll print this. Okay, so we got everything hooked up. We got one more short video when we do the static pressure here. I'm going to grab that manometer. Static pressure 0.39. We're in the blower compartment and below the coil. Total static 0.39. Yep, perfect. She can turn the heat off.